we have this fact which we are going to prove. The derivative of hyperbolic cosecant of x is negative hyperbolic cosecant of x times hyperbolic cotangent of x. And here is the proof. The derivative of hyperbolic cosecant of x is equal to the derivative of, well, cosecant hyperbolic of x, well, that's sinh of x, or 1 over sinh of x. So I'm going to write sinh of x upside down. E to the x minus e to the negative x over 2. And then I'm going to rewrite it again. Do not use the quotient rule if either the numerator or the denominator are a constant. Definitely don't use the quotient rule if they're both constants. So I'm going to rewrite that as 2 times e to the x minus e to the negative x to the negative 1 power. I use the general power rule. You know, keep the inside the same. Here, keep the inside the same. Bring down the power. Make the new power 1 less. And then multiply by the derivative of the inside. Whether you look here or here, it should be the same. And that's e to the x plus e to the negative x. So this becomes negative 2 times this, e to the x plus e to the negative x, over, put this a negative exponent, over that. And that is e to the x minus e to the negative x all squared. Now here, you have to be careful with what I'm going to do. You have e to the x plus e to the negative x over 2. Okay? Divided by e to the x minus e to the x over 2 all squared. So let's do some bookkeeping on the side here. I just multiplied the numerator by 1/2. And inside the brackets, I multiplied this by a 1/2. But when you square it, I really multiplied by 1/4. And how many times does a quarter go into a 1/2? 2 times. That is, out of nowhere in here, I multiply this here by 2. Out of nowhere. Oh, by 2, huh? That means I already dealt with that 2. I already dealt with multiplying by 2. Okay, so we have that. Okay, so this is equal to, we have the negative sign. That numerator is hyperbolic cosine of x over, this is, what's in the bracket is sinh of x. Now, I know that I want to get cotangent of x. So you know what? I'm only going to put one of the senches here, and I'll put the other one here. I'll put a 1 on top. Okay. So what I have is negative times this, which is hyperbolic cotangent of x, times that. Where 1 over sinh of x is, by definition, hyperbolic cosecant of x. And every time I get it in reverse order, but that equals to this times that. And this is exactly what I said we would get. There's that definition.